Now, when a format property of a text box is set to text, when it is set to text, it means that it can contain both numbers and text. So as you can see, I can type alphabets in this text box, and I can also type numbers as well as a mixture as alphanumeric. All of them can be typed in the text input control when it is set to text. Now, when it is set to numbers, or when it is set to number, then it can only contain numbers. I cannot type. As you type, it will be deleted. I cannot type alphabets into the text box. So that is about the format property for text box. So format property for a date picker. Let's pick the format property. Now I'll talk about the format for the date picker. We have a list here. We have the short dates. You can also have the long date. A lot of them are listed. Long date. When you pick the long date, you have the full date being stated. You can also use your own format. For example, if you want to have the day dash followed by a month, then followed by a year, that should also work. So we have the 30th in November 2020, and then you can make the year to fall. Okay, so you can also start with the month followed by the day as well. So this is about the format of the date picker as well as the text input control. Thank you.